Hey you guys, welcome back to our channel. So I am just finishing with my shower and getting myself together here. And I just washed my face. Kim and I are about to go out, run a couple of errands, but I wanted to show y'all the Revitalift and how it lays on the skin, the 3 products and how they layer, the order and what they layer as well, and then just like the consistency of the products too. This is the serum. Okay, it goes on first, and it's kind of like it's, I guess, basically like any other serum that I've ever used, but so you do 2 to 3 drops to clean dry skin. Okay, every morning and evening before Revitalift moisturizer. Avoid the eyes. And so I do have the eye serum as well. So let's go ahead and break it open. So I'm just gonna pat it in and continue to pat it in for a little bit. So I'm gonna let that dry down, and then I'm going to put the eye serum on. The directions on the eye serum bottle, in which this is the bottle. Okay, it says apply AM and PM on clean, dry skin, gently massaging the cooling applicator under the eye and around the eyelids. Proceed with your usual skincare routine. Okay, so this is also kind of like an oil. Okay, so now this is different. I've never used a product with like the cooling applicator. No, nothing like that. I usually just use my fingers to apply. So let's see how this goes, because let me see where my mirror, because I got to see. Let me do this offline, and then I'll come back and show y'all. Now patting the eye serum into my under eyes, and then it says to put it on top of the lid as well, so I'm patting the lid too. Okay, so it made the skin around my eyes a little tacky. The product is a little tacky, so I'm letting it dry down because I don't want to be bunking, and my skin is like, it's hard to come off the other part of my skin. Okay, so far, ooh, skin feels super soft. Yes, oh my goodness. Okay, all right. So this is the moisturizer, and it has a broad spectrum of 30 SPF. And so this goes on, this is the moisturizer. It's a moisturizer. This is the moisturizer, and it goes over, it's the last step. And so it already has SPF in it. Now, I read somewhere where these products are a lot milder than like the Lancome's and the Clarins products that I've been using. So I might, I don't know, because it's not sunny outside today. So while there is SPF in this, I may be able to get away with having to apply sunscreen. So we'll see. I'll think about it, because I'll be wearing all my layers. so got that much. Okay, so far, I love how the moisturizer, or rather the serum, I love how the serum made my skin feel very soft. I like how lightweight it is. I almost kind of got like a little worried at first because I'm like, my CeraVe, it kind of feels like a little, I still feel like my skin feels a little wet after using it until it dries completely down. But this is, it's thick enough, but lightweight enough that it doesn't leave like the, you know, like an oily residue, if you will. The CeraVe doesn't either, but I hope y'all understand what I'm saying. But either way, just know it's lightweight and my skin feels good. I don't seem to have a film or anything like on my hands. So let me put on my Clarins lip oil and then I'm done. I need to give me some more of this. I'm using this like to the last drop. I love it. I really do. If y'all have like any other like favorite lip oils, let me know because I definitely want to try it out. I love lip oils. Just let me know. I saw Elisha. I just know Elisha because like that's our girl, that's our community girl. But her full name, which I'm gonna tag it here, I noticed in one of her videos she was doing skincare, and she was doing her last step rather, which is her lip oil, and it was in like a clear tube, and I think the top was white. I'm not sure. I know that the lip oil itself was also clear, and so yeah, Alicia, drop that down in the comments if you you know, yeah, let me know what that is. But yeah, so y'all, we're about to head out and run a couple of errands. Of course, you guys are going with us, and yeah, welcome back to the channel. Happy Vlogtober. Enjoy this vlog.
Hey guys, so Keyondra and I are on our way to Ponce City Market. We are, I think we told you guys already about how we're sprucing up the living room, adding different shades of blue, and of course we have ivory furniture. And so we're headed to Pottery Barn in Ponce City Market to pick up our pillow cover for the extra blue. So we have like this navy blue pillow that's going in the front that's from Amazon, and then we have the printed pillow that's like an ice kind of blue and has some ivory in there as well. And then of course we're gonna keep our furry pillow, and so I think it's gonna turn out really cute. So I can't wait until it all comes together because we'll show you guys. We may show you guys along the way, like as we kind of prep some of the stuff, but of course you guys will see the outcome regardless of what we decide of the prep. And then after this, I think we're gonna try to find something to eat. We need to find something to eat. I'm hungry. And so we just have to figure out what we're gonna eat. So of course we're gonna take you guys into Pottery Barn with us.
So y'all, we just left Pottery Barn and we're headed to get some food, and then we're going to go home. Gonna go home, edit this video because this is a what we did in a day video. Okay. Oh, cute. What is this? Look, it's ice cream. Let's see what they got. So guys, we went into Van Leeuwen. I think that's how you pronounce it. It says good for you, probably, but it's vegan ice cream. And I got the strawberry shortcake. It's pretty tasty. I'm actually kind of liking it. Yeah, y'all need to come down to Ponce if you're here and get you some.
He says he is anticipating a quick return to the sidelines after announcing that he's going to need surgery. That surgery is supposed to take place and should be taking place. Hazelnut Sundae. I love hazelnut spread, so you're not gonna like this probably because it's got hazelnut spread.